As I mentioned during class time, I'd make a little short video to give you 2 more examples of how to find the area of the circle using the formula pi r squared. Remember, r stands for radius, which is the distance from the center to the outside of the circle, and d is the diameter, which goes right across. So look at this first example. We've got 18 centimeters. And already I recognize that that line goes right across, so I've been given the diameter. So what I need to find is the radius. And the radius is always half the diameter. So 18 divided by 2 equals 9 centimeters. So I'll be using 9 for my answer. So first I'll write the formula down, pi r squared. And then I'm going to plug in 9 for r. Pi 9 squared. Now my first step, using BEDMAS, is brackets. But there's only one digit in the bracket, so I don't have to do anything. My next step is exponents. And sure enough, I have an exponent, 9 squared. So I'll do that. Pi down there. 9 squared, or 9 times 9 equals 81. So now I'm left with pi 81. So what do you do next? Well, you multiply. Whenever there's 2 digits, one inside a bracket and one outside a bracket, you multiply. So if I had 4, 2, well, I'd multiply 4 times 2 and get 8. If I had 3, 10, I'd do 3 times 10 and I would get 30. So in the same way, I'm going to do pi times 81. I'm going to multiply. Now, some of you have the pi button on your calculator, which is great, so you'll be able to find the exact value. Other people don't have it, and that's fine. I'm going to show you just using 3.14. Pi is a very, 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 very long number. But most people just use 3.14 as a starter. So 3.14 times 81. And that equals 254.34 centimeters squared. Because we're dealing with area squared. 254.34 centimeters squared. One more example over here. This, I see I'm dealing with radius and not the diameter. The diameter would be the full length. This is the radius. No matter where I draw that line, here, there, there, on a perfect circle, that line will always equal 6. So, using the formula again, pi r squared. I plug in 6 for r. 6 squared is 36, so pi 36. So 6 times 6, or 6 squared, equals 36. And then lastly, pi times 36, so 3.14 times 36, or 3.14 36. Both are exactly the same. 3.14 times 36 is the same as doing that there. Both are exactly the same. And 3.14 times 36 equals 113.04. So, there are the steps. Remember, use radius, not diameter. So if I give you the diameter, you're going to have to make it radius. And then just go through the steps, making sure, in following BEDMAS, that we do exponents first. There you go. As promised, there's a video. Hope everyone has a great day. Thanks for a really fun class. Talk to you tomorrow.